The U.S. Supreme Court will take up a challenge to a Colorado law that prohibits mental health professionals from practicing conversion therapy on LGBTQ plus minors.
Denver 7's Richard Butler is digging into arguments surrounding the case and spoke with the state's top attorney, who says the practice puts kids at risk.
Colorado, like many states, regulates therapists. And when there's a practice of therapy that is viewed as harmful and has no value, Colorado bans it.
Attorney General Phil Weiser reacting strongly to the Supreme Court agreeing to hear a case involving whether state and local governments can enforce laws banning conversion therapy for LGBTQ plus children.
We're banning this practice because it's harming kids. It doesn't do anything of value. And we want to protect people.
Conversion therapy is a discredited practice that aims to change a person's sexual orientation or gender identity to straight. The case before the Supreme Court was brought by Colorado counselor Kelly Childs in 2022. She claims patients voluntarily seek out her services, and she argues the laws enacted in Colorado silence counselors' ability to express views their clients seek. State officials countered, saying they can ban certain medical treatment for patients.
In 2019, Colorado banned so-called gay conversion therapy because the evidence was clear. As the American Psychiatric Association and the American Psychological Association have concluded.
According to the American Psychological Association, conversion therapy or sexual orientation distress and change efforts could cause significant distress and negative self-image.
Medical and scientific literature on this is pretty strong that it's not a good practice.
University of Denver Associate Professor Ian Farrell says the outcome of this case depends on how it's argued in court. Will it be debated through the lens of free speech or the continuation of regulating medical treatments?
The court points out that it doesn't prevent the expression of the therapist's views. It merely prohibits a specific kind of medical treatment, and therefore is in line with what legislators have been doing for hundreds of years.
If this case rules against Colorado, it is a step towards animus towards gays and lesbians, and it's a step away from equal rights.
In Denver, Richard Butler, Denver 7.
The case is set to be argued in the court's new term, which begins in October. We'll be sure to keep you updated.